Mozilla Thunderbird 135 has launched with significant technical improvements and security enhancements, marking a notable update for the open-source email client. Released alongside Firefox 135, this version introduces optimizations for Linux users, critical vulnerability patches, and workflow refinements. Key technical upgrades. The Linux build now uses XZ compressed binaries, a shift mirroring Firefox's recent packaging strategy. This reduces download sizes by approximately 30%, from 80 MB to 55 MB for 64-bit builds, while enabling faster decompression during installation. Developers note this aligns Thunderbird with modern distribution packaging standards. Security enhancements. Thunderbird 135 addresses 12 security vulnerabilities, including memory corruption risks in message handling, potential script injection via crafted HTML emails, header spoofing vulnerabilities in specific forwarding scenarios. Details are documented in Mozilla's advisory, MFSA 2024-XX, with patches applying to Windows, macOS, and Linux builds. Feature additions: OAuth 2 integration, CardDAV address. Books, Jot, calendars now share mail account authentication tokens, streamlining secure access. PGP key management. Improved OpenPGP compliance with selective sub-key signature filtering during key imports. Space configuration. Developers can now assign cookie store ID parameters when programmatically creating workspace tabs. Workflow improvements. Attachment headers now expose metadata via browser.messages. List attachments. API. Default suppression of missed reminder pop-ups. Configurable via mail.bif. Show Allerton reminders. Enhanced keyboard navigation in message composition windows. Fixed POP3 message retrieval edge cases affecting large mailboxes. UX refinements. Restructured context menus for attachment handling. Visual fixes for high DPI display scaling. Corrected sort order in search messages panel. Calendar event color coding consistency improvements. Deployment recommendations. Enterprise administrators should prioritize testing the XZ packaging transition, particularly for automated deployment scripts. The update is available through In-Client Updater, About Thunderbird, Restart, Official Download Portal, Thunderbird.net, Major Linux repository channels, expected within 72 hours. This release demonstrates Mozilla's continued focus on performance optimization and attack surface reduction, with measurable improvements in both installation footprint and cryptographic handling. Users maintaining PGP, GPG workflows, or CalDAV integrations should review updated configuration guides.